Some people have used what I'm about to show you to make tens of thousands of dollars by creating their own meme coins. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this yourself by creating a viral meme coin on Coinray.fun. So stay until the end for a secret tip that's going to boost everything for you and your token. Promise you guys that by the end you will realize that you can pull the rug at any time. You can grow it, it's totally up to you, and you are going to make some bank in the process. So guys, creating your very own meme coins means that you don't risk your funds through liquidity loss. No one can freeze or take out your tokens. By the end, you will actually be the person that is building it up. You can choose to grow it, you can choose to pull the rug. It's totally up to you guys, because what I'm about to show you supports both. So I'll guide you step by step. The first thing that you know is there's two ways of making profit from meme coins. Number one is you can buy someone else's coin. So you can do that, and you can hope that it grows. But that is pretty risky because the prices might drop. You could get the rug pulled from under you, or worst case, the market could crash. So it's very risky and very stressful. Only 1% of traders actually make real profits. On the other hand, the other way revolved around making your own meme coin where you can control everything: the supply, the liquidity, and also the price. Basically, guys, that means you stay calm because you are in control. You control your funds and you choose to grow your coin. Again, when it comes to trading with others' tokens, that means relying on them. With your own coin, well, you basically hold all the keys. You avoid others pulling the rug from under you. Your funds stay safe at the end of the day. And also, since the trading is happening in your own pool, that just means that you are being safe, and that is what we want. Now, with that said, the best way to do this and the simplest way to do it is to download the Phantom Wallet app and buy some Solana. Once you do that, the next step is to actually use a platform that simplifies trading in a way that is quick and easy to take out profits. So, next guys, I want you to head over to Coinray.fun, which is on Phantom's whitelist, so it's safe to connect. So if we wanted to launch a coin here, what we have to do is just simply click Copy Trending Token, select the coin we want to copy, click Confirm, and the coin is going to be created damn near instantly. The reason I like this option is because Coinray allows you to actually take all the stuff that's trending on Pump.fun currently, meaning tokens that already have proven narratives. So you just copy and paste it in one click to where you can launch it on the Raydium DEX. Again, by simply clicking Copy Trending Token, Coinray shows you the top trending tokens that are on Pump.fun, and you can simply just launch them on the Raydium DEX instantly. Now, if we want to make the coin tradable, we just have to wait one quick second, and we have to create the liquidity pool. So then guys, I'm just going to confirm in Phantom, and also mine, and boom. There we go. The token is created on Solana with zero coding whatsoever, guys. But to let people actually trade it, we need to create a liquidity pool. If you want to learn more about liquidity pools and how to profit from them, then check out my other videos in my channel. But right now, we are going to do that right on Coinray, because that's what makes it so easy. Though you could use other dexes, the process is pretty similar, and I'm going to stick with Coinray since it's all integrated. Now we are going to add 0.31 SOL to the pool, with the supply being 900 million. So we'll check over everything real quick. Looks good? No, we're going to initialize the liquidity pool. And now it's time for us to confirm with our wallet. Okay, our coin is officially official now. Typically, bots and curious traders watch for newly created tokens, hoping to catch big spikes early on. Because of the 3 billion in daily trading volume on DEXs, when the market ramps up to 10 billion in daily volume, our profits will grow from 2 to 5 times to 10 times. So you'll likely see incoming buys even without heavy marketing thanks to that fact. So let's see how the SOL amount in our pool grows when those buys actually start to roll in, guys. All right, we're starting to have a few buyers come in. Awesome. We'll wait a bit longer. Oh wow, a nice big buy there. See, since we just launched a trending token from Pump.fun onto Raydium, the hype builds extremely quickly. So guys, we're going to jump over here and we're just going to wait a little bit longer to see who else jumps in. And there we go, guys. Another big buy just landed. This is exactly why people make meme coins, guys. The potential is there for quick profit. So if you want to lock in those gains right about now, then I can pull my liquidity. Let's check how much money is actually in the pool, guys. As you can see, our profit right now is way more than the 0.31 SOL we put in. So I'm probably just going to call it good there. Now the key thing is that you need to understand about launching meme coins without any marketing is timing your exit. That is one of the most important things, guys. At this stage of the market, you want to make sure that you are pulling it at the right time. If you want to pull liquidity, do it once you've made at least 2 times the profit. Because within an hour, your token will no longer be listed amongst the new pairs, and all of the snipers will most likely have already sold your token. But it's already been a few minutes for this video, so I'm just going to lock it in, so I can remove some or all of it. If I remove everything, that's a classic rug pull, and the token will then basically just crash, guys. But I walk away with more SOL than I started with. If I want to develop the project though, I might only remove about half so that the market can keep trading. Remember, it's entirely my decision. DeFi doesn't forbid either option. The key is that I'm not risking my own money because I hold the private key. That's up to you guys, but from a pure strategy standpoint, you're in control. So, look at that. We ended up with a nice profit that I'm very happy with. Of course, if you want to build a real brand, you'd keep the liquidity in, and you would keep marketing the coin. The marketing is crucial if you aim for a long-term project. You can post it on Twitter, Reddit, on Telegram. And guys, you can keep the community engaged. People love meme coins with active devs and fun content. But if you want to make 2 times the return on your capital without any marketing, whether it's 3, 5, or 10 SOL, then this is the fastest and most reliable method that's working right now for everyone. So to recap this, install Phantom, buy some SOL. You'll want to have at least 1 SOL in your wallet before creating a coin. Go to Coinray.fun. Go to copy tokens and pick a coin you want to copy. Add liquidity right on Coinray. In my case, it was 0.31 SOL. With supply being at 900 million. Wait for the buys. Pull the liquidity when you've made 2 times your liquidity amount. And then this entire process from how to launch a meme coin to taking the profits is under your full control, guys. That is so important. And don't forget about it. You are not reliant on external devs or shady owners. If you aim to become the next big project in the SOL community, not like Doge or Shiba, but still big, you'll need to consistently market, you'll need to update, and maybe even some influencer partnerships and lots of imagination. So if you want quick money, then this method is pretty easy. You're the boss, and no one can stop you. If you found this helpful, guys, then please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. Will you develop your token or just pull it out early? Guys, I'm curious about your plans. Remember, this is not financial advice, but from a technical standpoint, there's really no risk and you fully control your liquidity pool and your funds. So guys, thanks for watching, and now you know how to create a meme coin with practically no risk of someone else's rug pull. Guys, good luck, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next video.